am Emmanuel Gallina. I am a designer and art director. My activity is all around the design products and a little bit on interior design. I'm French. Even if my grandfather was Italian, so I have some Italian roots. My life is organized in Bordeaux. It's a small city in the southwest of France. I used to live 20 years in Milano, so Italy is a strong part of my life, and I'm working with a lot of brands. But I have a very particular relation with Polyform. Today I am in Astana in Kazakhstan. It's a new discovery for me. It's the first time I'm coming in this country, so I'm very curious to discover the cultural aspect of Kazakhstan. I can say that Brancusi is an artist. He was living in Paris, but he was from Romania. I really love his philosophical way of thinking. As an artist, he was working mainly on sculpture objects. And what I like in this vision is how he tried to go to the essence of the things, to the essentiality of sense, and I really try in my work to do that, going to the essentiality, the simplicity, in order to avoid all things that can parasite my thinking. Always researching innovation, materials, materiality, always watching around, curiosity, all aspects that I'm trying to do during all the days. I'm not a person that say, okay, it has to be like that and that's it. I'm always trying to give to my work a strong personality and strong arguments. Then there is an important part of my work that is the dialogue. For me, it's very important with the brands I'm working with to have a kind of confident dialogue, creative dialogue. The relation with Polyform is very special because we are working together for a very long time, something like 16 years all long. The kind of richness that we can have during our creative dialogue, our meeting. It's more relationship in terms of family than in terms of work, and I'm very close to the vision of the brands. By example, 15 years ago, we created together the Concorde table with the Grace chairs, and 2 years ago for the new Concorde table and Grace chairs were a very good success, and nowadays they are selling a lot, so they were very good best sellers. They become iconic products of the brand. And 2 years ago there was a new challenge with Polyform, so they decide to go on the outdoor furniture, and so I wanted to create the new Concorde table, the new Grace chair, but in the outdoor context. So it was a great challenge, and I'm very happy because we could create the monolith table and the Magnolia chairs. So it's nice to see how a longer relationship can give you the way and the chance to create so beautiful and successful product. I was very happy with this outdoor collection. It was the first collection in outdoor for Polyform, so the challenge was very high, and it was so difficult to interpret the identity of the brand in outdoor context. As designer, my first idea was to really work on the idea of nature and giving to the product really this inspiration of natural aspect, natural arguments. The monolith table has this idea of stones, so all the feet and the table has this very organic shapes. You can see in this picture the feet. I wanted to people to feel the idea of stones. Then in my work there is a very important aspect is the cultural aspect and the story of humankind. And I was very inspired by the culture of monolith stones that you can find in France. It's people of 4,000 years ago. They were doing this kind of composition with stones in the forest. It was a nice inspiration also for the monolith table. Then Magnolia is the chair, and in this case we work a lot on this organic structure. It comes out from the observation of nature, of the trees, of what I can see around in my house that is in the nature. For me, it's very important for my vision of designer to give and to have this serenity. And I think that nature can give you serenity. I was very happy with the Magnolia chair because it was very innovative in terms of technical aspect. We can work with craftsmanship. Made in Italy can really help you to do these very difficult shapes. And all the structure is in tech. So tech is also a very nice essence of wood, and it can give you also to the product a very high quality for the product. The monolith table and Magnolia chair was a good way for an intuition I had for many years, because I wanted to. I always try to give a lot of comfort to people. So with this new collection, I propose to Polyform a low dining collection. That means that you are not at the same height, the usual height for dining for the dining table, but you are lower of more or less 10 centimeters. You can see it in this picture, and so we have made some tests, and we are very happy with the idea of being more comfortable, very relaxed, and I think it's very important for the people to and for the designer to offer to the people this idea of relax. For this new collection of outdoor, we launched this year in Milano. I was very happy to work with Polyform on my first modular sofa. In this new collection, essentiality, simplicity are always keyword for me, and together to timeless and elegant. So I wanted to put these very important words in the identity of the brand in this product. In this product in particular, I wanted to work also very strongly on the materiality. So materials were very important, and we work on this very nice wood tech, and also with a special material rope that I wanted to be very traditional and remind me the rope of the 2000 years ago that were made in France. That was the beginning of the project. Then the dialogue with Polyform helped us to develop all the context of modularity. I wanted to feel a contemporary product, but in the same way, very comfortable product. And the idea of nature also was very strong, and we work on shape very round in order to give this idea of well-being during this development. I'm very happy with the result because we have also put inside colors aspect. So it was quite new for Polyform, but I was thinking that it was important. So the two strong arguments that we have put inside this project is materiality and colors. Is a very nice sofa for me because it's very functional and very modular. You can have a lot of composition. So it's a very good product for the home and but also for the hospitality, hotel or this kind of context. During the development of the prototype of the product, we need to find a good solution in terms of technical aspect, in terms of aesthetical aspect, in terms of marketing, the identity of the brand. And at one point, so it's not that we say, okay, it's like that. There is a lot of steps where we say, okay, this detail is okay like that, and we go on. But at one point, after a lot of meeting, after a lot of tests with prototypes, it's really a collegial decision, collective decision when we say, okay, this detail is okay like that. Simplicity, essentiality, timeless are also an answer to sustainability in this sense, because I really think that it makes sense to put on the market qualitative product that can go on for many years. Of course, you are always thinking to have a product that at the end of his life can be recycled. Then you have AI. It can help us to develop our creativity. It's always interesting to discover new way of doing things, and so we have integrated in some ways AI in order to upgrade and improve the quality of creativity. Of course, as designer, my vision is very clear, and I think it will be very difficult for me to let AI thinking instead of me. but it can give you new direction, new ways of thinking. So I'm quite open to that. Like an experiment, like it was the same thing when we discovered the 3D with computer, the renderings, also the physical 3D printing. So it's all for me. It's all tools that the designer have to know and to use in order to improve the quality of the work. But at the end, I think the mind and the vision is what can guide us to the point. As design teacher, I always enjoy to work with young generations, because they give you a lot of positive energy, a lot of new ways of thinking, and it is what I like in teaching. Of course, I will offer to them my experience, my professionality, but in exchange they will give me all this very good energy, and it's nice to see and understand how this mind for this creative mind for the future are very positive in front of a lot of problems that we can see in all over the world today. So I have a very good thinking, a very good feelings with the new generation, and I really enjoy to work with my collaborators in the office are quite young in front of me. So and I really enjoy to have this always this dialogue with them. I'm not so excited by the future. It's a paradox, but I'm very I have a strong attention to the past, and in my vision, in my creativity, it's important to make research on the past, to find a very nice cultural aspects that makes sense to propose for the future, because maybe in this way of life of today we can miss a lot of important things. I'm practicing yoga, that is secular activity of humans, and I think it's important to reinterpret, to propose again this kind of human aspect that can give you serenity. So I'm watching always the future with what humans have done in the past, in order to find the better way to go on. For me, traveling is very important for inspiration, of course, and my eyes are always catching some details, some cultural story, and I really like to put all this culture in my mind, and at one point in my project it will go out. It's very interesting how the human brain can be a spoon, and at one point the creativity is going out. I'm very happy also to be here today in Kazakhstan, and I would like to see around what kind of details can catch my eyes. Of course, I will go and see a museum, but I have understood that also the nature of Kazakhstan is quite particular. I hope to have a visit in the Astana town, of course, but also I would like to see around if the nature can help me to work on the next collection for Polyform.